If you are copying sketches in FreeCAD just to get multiple holes, then you are doing it hard way. As in this video, I will be talking about linear pattern that handle all of this in that one feature. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so all here we need to do is, first of all, we need to select the feature. So here I just clicked on whole feature, and now if we go here on the top, you can see there is an option called linear pattern. Just click on it, and now here you can see the preview of linear pattern. So here you can see where we are defining how many holes we need. And here you can see the first option is axis, and then here we can see there are so many options available. We will try to make it simpler. So let's say if you want to create multiple hole in horizontal, you can choose horizontal sketch axis. If you do not want to go through your sketch axis, then I would say even the easier method is simply choosing base X, base Y, and base Z. Alright, and you can easily find out where is my x-axis, where is my y-axis, and where is my z-axis by seeing this coordinate system. Now here we can see the length is defined, which you can always play with. Let's say I want to have two or multiple hole at 30 mm distance. We can do that from here, and here we can put how many instance we need. I'm gonna, let's say, write 5. And there you go. Now since we have chosen extent as a mode, if I choose space, you will see that the thing will change. Again, I'm gonna put 30, maybe 30 will be more in this case. So let me make it 10 or maybe 15. And in this way, guys, we can create a multiple instance of hole. Now there is one more very important option. It can be possible that you want to go 2D, not in one direction. In that case, you can choose this direction too. Now here also we can select, let's say, Y as a direction. And now here I'm gonna say 2, and probably I will be flipping this. So I'm gonna say -15 or maybe 15. But here we can see the direction is opposite. So for that, we can click here on this option which is reverse the direction of pattern. And in this way, guys, here you can see we are able to create 10 holes with ease using linear pattern. And generally people use pattern for standard features like hole. So that is the reason why I have chosen this particular option to replicate. Now there can be other features that one would like to create pattern of, which of course we can do that. Linear pattern is for straight line, and then we have got another pattern, for example polar pattern, that we will be covering in our next video. And if you are learning FreeCAD or you want to cover FreeCAD from very beginning, make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam so you never miss any upcoming video. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.